Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. This is Johnny Mac, the gravy guy. It's Saturday, so let me show you how to make a homemade sauce for a comfort food with a twist. In this recipe, I'm going to walk you through how to make a moussaka style cottage pie. It combines the rich spice flavors of a moussaka with the hearty goodness of a traditional cottage pie. So let me quickly show you how to make it. Let's start off with the sauce first. Round up an Instant Pot, press the saute function button, and cook on high heat. Once the display reads hot, drop in 1 tablespoon or 15 milliliters of a neutral oil. Next, add 1 pound or 500 grams of ground beef. You could also substitute with ground lamb. Use a flat bottom spatula to break the ground beef up into small pieces. When the red of the meat is nearly all gone, you can add your next ingredient, 1 large red onion that's been diced. Give it all a quick mix. Cook the onions until they're tender. Next up to bat, 8 garlic cloves that have been minced. Work the garlic cloves into the mixture and quickly saute them for about 30 seconds. Deglazing the pot is the next step in the sauce making process. Add 1/4 cup or 63 milliliters of red wine. Give it a good mix and reduce the wine down until it's nearly all gone. To add those delicious Mediterranean style flavors, 2 tablespoons of dried oregano, 2 tablespoons of dried mint. Give it a touch of cayenne pepper. And you'll also add 1 teaspoon of hot smoked paprika. Give it a mix and then let it cook for about 30 seconds. Moving right along, add 2 tablespoons or 30 grams of tomato paste. When the tomato paste is really well mixed into all of the ingredients, you're ready to move on to the next step. Pour in 1/2 cup or 125 milliliters of chicken broth. To this mixture, you'll add 1 bay leaf and 1 cinnamon stick. Alright, so you're almost done with adding all the ingredients, just a few left. Round up 3 medium eggplants that have been peeled and diced. Top it off with 1 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes and its juices. Sprinkle on a dash of salt and spank on some freshly cracked black pepper. Place the lid on the Instant Pot and turn it to the locked position. Close the pressure/steam release valve on top of the Instant Pot. Have you ever struggled to make the perfect sauce? Wait no longer. Sauces made simply by the Sauce and Gravy channel chef, Johnny Mac, is a must for your next holiday feast or weeknight meal. Delve into a selection of savory and sweet sauces as well as rich gravy recipes, with easy-to-follow step-by-step directions and QR codes that will take you straight to the channel's video recipes. You will be able to visualize the sauce-making process and improve your sauce-making skills while delighting your family and friends. Order now and get your copy today. Links are in the video description and comment section below. Press the pressure cooker function button, make sure it's on high pressure, and cook for 10 minutes. While the moussaka style sauce cooks away, you can work on the potatoes to make that cottage pie style topping. Peel, wash, and dice 4 to 5 large russet potatoes and add them to a large sauce pot off heat. Pour enough water in to cover the potatoes by at least 1/2 inch or 12 millimeters. Turn your burner on to high. Once it starts to simmer, reduce the heat and simmer for about 8 to 10 minutes. And don't forget to add a dash of salt to the pot. Grab a knife, make sure the potatoes are soft, and then you can drain the potatoes, put them in a bowl, add a dash of salt, some black pepper, 2 tablespoons of butter, 28 grams, put a lid on top so it'll help melt that butter. After the butter's pretty much melted, add 1/2 cup or 50 grams of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. You could either make mashed potatoes or whipped potatoes. It's homemade, so you can make it how you like it. Either way, add milk in increments and whip or mash. Check the consistency of the potatoes. If they're not where you want them to be, keep on repeating the process until they're as thick as you like. When the potatoes are right where you want them to be, add 2 egg yolks. Mix them in and put the potatoes to the side until the moussaka sauce is done. When it's finished, you can either do a quick, safe release of the pressure per the manufacturer's instructions, or you can do a natural release of the pressure. Generally takes about 30 minutes or so. Either way, once that float valve goes down, which is the red button on my Instant Pot, you can safely turn the steam or pressure release valve into open position. Carefully open the lid and check out what you've got inside. Give it a mix to combine the ingredients and fish out the cinnamon stick and the bay leaf. Perfect, so the potatoes are done, the sauce is done. Now it's time to assemble the Moussaka style cottage pie. Add the sauce to a greased 9 by 13 inch or 23 by 33 centimeter baking dish. Evenly spread the sauce throughout the baking dish. Round up your whipped potatoes and evenly dollop them over the top of the sauce. You can make the topping as pretty and neat or as home-style and hearty as you like. It's your casserole, you can make it how you like it. Round up a spatula, spread those potatoes as evenly as possible throughout the top, more or less like you're icing a cake. Use a fork or a knife to score the top to add extra texture to the dish. Sprinkle half of a cup or 50 grams of Parmesan cheese, freshly grated, on top. Bake uncovered in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 176 Celsius for 1 hour or until golden brown on top. And after 1 hour, you have a delicious homemade Moussaka style cottage pie. Let it rest for about 5 minutes, garnish it with parsley if you like, and then you can dive in and enjoy. Thank you for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. Hope that you enjoyed this recipe on how to make a Moussaka style cottage pie. If you happen to find the recipe helpful, be sure to hit that like button, and you know what? If you found it helpful, share it with your friends. They might find it helpful too. If you'd like to stay tuned to the latest sauce and gravy making tips and techniques, smash that subscribe button and be sure to hit the all notifications bell. Thanks again for watching. Remember, it's just you, me, and the sauces. Until next Saturday, keep whisking, y'all.